In this quick video, I'll show you how to check deposit history on Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Now once you have logged in, go to wallet here and click transaction history. And then choose deposit as your type. Then choose your time. If you want to view the deposit history over the past 90 days, click here. And if you want to customize your time, just click here and choose your start time and the end time. As for the asset, you can click here and type down the specific coin that you are looking for example, USDT, and it will show you all the deposited USDT over the past 90 days. And as for the status, you can choose completed or pending. If you want to see the completed, just click here and then it will show you all the completed status and you'll see it here. And if you have any questions about how to check deposit history on Binance, leave a comment below.